Hey, Math 7 students. All right, so we are now done with quiz 1, and we are on to the second portion of our geometry unit. So the first con here that we're doing is called name angles. This one, again, is not very difficult, but you do have to understand what you're going. So I think this one's self-explanatory, but I'm just going to go through it to make sure. It says here, what is the name of the marked angle? What they mean by the marked angle is this little green line here. So what is the name of that angle? So here's kind of a nice way of finding it. If I take one line up here, you'll notice that this green line is attached to or a part of this line here. You notice how it runs into that line? So I'm going to mark it in red to just really kind of show it. And then I'm going to do the other side of that green line as well. So I'm going to put that there. And notice I wouldn't go to here because that green line, if you notice, if I put it there, the green line doesn't extend to here. So I don't want to go there. I don't want to go here because the green line doesn't extend to this one. The green line only extends to this spot. So the name of this angle is, what are the three letters attached to that angle? It would be a letter E, a letter A, and a letter D. So EAD. So when we look at our answers over here, you can notice EAD is our first one. It would not be the DAC because that's this angle here. BCA would be BCA. Well, BCAC is not even in the next one, so that couldn't even work. And then CAE, well, the E line is connected, but the C line is not. So that's how that one comes. Let's do one more because they asked us a little different way. Here's this one. Which angle refers to the same as EDC? So again, I'm going to put these red lines on EDC. So the first one I'm going to line up is going to be the ED line. So E to D. So I'm going to take this. Here's letter E, there's letter D. I put one line there. Then I need to do the DC line. So I'm going to start this at the letter D right there. And I'm going to, oops, see, that didn't go the way I wanted it to. And there we go. Let's try that again, all the way to letter C. So E, D, C. Now, which of these little lines does the single orange line go to both lines? No, it doesn't. Does the triple light blue? No, that doesn't do it. Does the quadruple purple line? No, that doesn't either. How about the double green? Yeah, the double green line does work. So we look up here, we find the double green, it's right here, and we put our check mark right by there. So not too difficult. I think you'll get through this quickly, but you just need to make sure you understand what you're doing. Have a great day. Bye-bye.